Now let's go on. Hybrid fans. This is the second video of the one block down of this is the thing that the thing that we were talking about. Now we are talking about this again. The thing to open this thing is you have to do like this. It's a little bit fancy, but it's not that fancy because it has to go like this and do like this. And I'll just take this out for a moment. Ooh, and I forgot. This is a 2.4 gray tile, this part. And this is 2 jumper, 2.4 sand color. These are the same but light green. Now let's don't talk about this. And the cactus ones are here. I don't need to really talk about that. And it was the cactus in Lego. Okay. This is the sheepy bag, right? I got a baby sheep and a big sheep. One is from the bee farm. And this, I don't really remember because it's a long time ago. A sheep is the first animal I got. The next is the pig and next is the cow. But the last, but not really least because I got pandas too. Oh, panda is the next of the cow. Then it's but with the ocelot. That doesn't matter right now. And the fish together. Then the baby sheep. The sheep was the last. Really the last. Woo, it got 2 minutes. This is the fence that is my favorite. The ladder that is my favorite. The motor, the super simple motorcycle. The super duper simple motorcycle. I like it. It's easy to make. It has to come out here a little bit. You see? And look at this. Bum 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 bum. Stephen Alex Doom. Stephen Alex Doom. Stephen Alex Doom. The laser, I already talked about it. The potions, the fences. Ooh, I didn't tell you how to go in, right? How to go in is, you just have to break through it. If you just break the ceiling, that's cheating. I just made it up. That doesn't really happen, but I'll pretend if you break the ceiling and come down from it, you turn into a chicken, even if you're standing here. I'm just thinking. I won't erase this part. This is something that's weird. I know! Look at... Oh no. I know, so my voice do my super duper simple motorcycle. Look at this! The green part. The green part, if you touch the green part, you'll die. pretending. Because I'll pretend that's a cactus block. And these are the ladders, and this was already made. I haven't got the idea yet. The laser, you can take this out and put it on the Super Duper simple motorcycle. Like this. And some kind you have to put them some kind of here. And you should put this at the back and here. Here. Oh, now we got to 5 minutes 57 seconds. Now 8, 9. Oh, now it's 6 minutes. Sorry, I counted. I was supposed to be doing. Yeah. Sorry, myself. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about the Super Duper Simple Motorcycle. Its name is long, right? But it's very simple. If this making is simple, that means the name is simple. Super Duper Simple Motorcycle. It's super duper simple motorcycle. It's only 4 words. These are the things that will help to shoot lasers. You see these red, you can see through, but not very well. Ooh, I can see you. Yep, yippee. Can you look at this? Oh, you cannot see. I was trying to test out. Sorry. Now I'll have to put this back and order, so I know you know that how it looked like. So I'm not showing because it's a secret. Even if you know, I think like that you'll know. I mostly think you'll know, but yeah. I like this. Yeah. Oh no. My dad must be here. But I have to end it fast. This video is almost done. Okay? It's almost the end to end this because it has gone 8 minutes. See? Now, this is very good, you think. Very good buildings I make. And I think this is the 17th video of it. So, thank you for watching. Bye.